our main content. But before we go any further, let's style the footer, our page footer, so you can see it as a gray bar and a copyright aligned to the right. So let's target that now. And just as a reminder, you can see here, this is our footer element. So let's go back to our CSS. And in order to target the footer element, we use the footer keyword. Remember, if you want to target a tag, you must reference its tag name. So we're going to push the footer slightly below the main content. In order to do that, we use a margin, and a particular margin top. So margin top 50 pixels means push the footer content 50 pixels below the content above it, or push the content above 50 pixels. Our background color will be slate gray, same color as the text, but in keeping with a consistent style, we'll use the same color. Remember, you can change these, and I do recommend that you do change these in your challenge. There you go. Our text is white, but it's a bit thin, and notice that our text is aligned to the left. It's still aligned to the left. So now we're going to target the contents of the footer. So in order to do that, we're going to place a paragraph element inside in our footer as a child of our footer, and we will target that paragraph. Let's just add some text inside here, the correct text. Run it just to verify. Let's go back to our CSS. So now we're targeting a paragraph that's a child of the footer. In CSS, when you want to target a child, you put a space between the parent. The parent is the first on the left, followed by its children. So you can see footer, and paragraph is a child of footer. So footer space paragraph, not footer comma paragraph. Otherwise it'll apply the same style to all footers and all paragraphs. So watch that. So we're going to set our text line and where we want to align our text, and we want to set some margins for our content. So that will result in our content being pushed in 20 pixels from the far right, and we'll set the padding top and the padding bottom. That gives us a bit of breathing space around our text. Use 20 pixels above and 20 pixels below. Actually, that should say text align right rather than text align left. Let's change that now. Okay, so we have our footer and our footer contents styled. Okay, looking good.